Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Pioneer radio and getting your phone ready. This ensures both devices can see each other immediately. Once done, press the SRC or Home button to access the main menu, then tap Bluetooth to enter pairing. Make sure to select Pairing or Add Device on the radio so it broadcasts a Bluetooth signal. You do this first because a discoverable radio is required for the phone to find it. Without that, nothing will show up on your phone. You now initiate the actual pairing process. On the radio, choose Search or Add Device so it begins scanning. Then switch to your phone and tap the Pioneer unit name when it appears. That makes the phone request a secure connection. If a PIN appears, confirm the same numbers on both devices so they trust each other. Once paired, the radio may ask to allow contacts or audio. Approve necessary permissions so calling and media functions work correctly without extra steps later. You finish by selecting the newly paired Pioneer as the phone's audio and call device, which routes music and calls through the radio. Once connected, test audio and make a quick call to verify microphone and streaming function. If it fails to connect, make sure no other paired device is active. Disable other Bluetooth outputs, then try reconnecting. As a troubleshooting tip, delete the Pioneer entry on your phone and the phone entry on the radio, then repair. This clears.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.